Inn International Drive. So as you walk into your door, which is just behind you, you've got your sink, hairdryer, towels, and a large mirror there for you. And then this door here is your bathroom. So you have your toilet and your shower and bathtub. And then just opposite the toilet door, you've got your coffee maker, ice bucket, a microwave, and a fridge. It's quite a large fridge, so you can store quite a lot of stuff inside there. You've got an iron and an ironing board, a large wardrobe. It also has mirrors either side. That doesn't shut properly. There we go. We've got 2 doubles. So the bed's there. And of course, we've got a Dunkin' Donuts necessity. And phone, alarm clock, light. And you've got quite a large safe here, which would easily fit a laptop inside there. You have your TV stand, quite a large flat screen TV, and 4 drawers. Again, ignore the mess. You've got a desk with a light and a chair. The air conditioning unit is rather loud, but I don't mind. It's keeping the room nice and cold. And the view, I don't know if you can see, it's quite dark. So that's the view here, and I believe you can see some roller coasters in Universal, but I can't quite see them right now. But they're kind of over in that direction anyway. So that's the Rosen Inn here in International Drive.